volume profiles by request is going to be a victory lap. That's what's going on right now. I'm taking a victory lap because we're going to revisit all these charts right now. First, Schwab. This was a highlight that I had all week. Guys, we never broke above that point of control. If you're not breaking above the point of control, where do you want to go? To the downside, baby. And we did finally get that breakdown. I know some of you got in some puts there. Nice job in Schwab. And next up, Hot Pepper. This was another chart feature that we had this week. HOG. Hot Pepper loves to short this thing. And we actually got even further confirmation for more downside Hot Pepper. So this is working out favorably. We had that volume profile breakout, retest. I think we talked about this one either on Monday or Tuesday, had that rejection, and we're continuing to roll over. So yeah, we're well on our way to 32 in HOG. And how about that gold, Jerry? Yesterday we looked at GLD with Chris Johnson. You guys better thank Chris Johnson. Write him a thank you note today for giving us a great trade for yesterday. Those gold calls screeching higher yesterday and continuing that movement this morning. All right, Mark, we took a victory lap. We looked at Schwab. That went to the downside. HOG continuing to go lower. We also had GLD. Are you seeing any further movement in any of these stocks?
You know, for expiring today, the HOG 35 and 36 puts were really active yesterday.
Really?
So, yeah, I wouldn't jump on ones expiring today, but the 35 puts for next week are only about 65 cents, 70 cents. Okay. Those are pretty inexpensive for the way this thing is dropping.
Yeah.
So I might look at those 35 puts for next week if I could pay 70 cents for them small, and then look to flip them out at a $1.25 or $1.50, something like that. If this thing makes continue to move lower.
All right, nice. Yep, I'm seeing some more action to the downside in that as well. Mark, let's get to your big money flow because I'm not worthy. We're not worthy of Mark Sebastian and his big money flow. Do you know why, everybody? Because he already saw Deutsche Bank collapsing yesterday. Mark, the big money, knew the story. Tell me what you got.
Yeah.
Incredible.
They came in and this is like... You wonder what's going on. Yeah, they came in and bought the April 9 puts yesterday in Deutsche Bank. The biggest print was 23,000 of the puts for 60 cents. On the day, 63,000 of these were bought. They knew this was coming. All right, plain and simple. They knew this was coming, and they bought puts ahead of time. And now we're looking. Deutsche is already down 80 cents. These traders are up pretty significantly. The vol is going to be way higher. Look for vol to go up, even more today. The traders that bought these yesterday are going to be big winners.
You also had some interesting options flow in SL Green Realty. That's a new one for me. What did you see?
Slug. SLG.
Slug.
SL Green Realty. It's a REIT. So what's our favorite kind of trade? When the trader is right and they roll. The only one I like better is when they roll and lever. And so the traders sold 8,000 to close of the May 22.5 puts. They collected $4.58. They then took those 8,000. They took $3.20 of that and bought 16,000 of the 15 puts. So those of you that are looking at the REITs and thinking the bottom is in, all the paper flow I'm looking at across just about every single real estate investment trust is bearish and betting on it going lower. So now is not the time to be a hero. Now is the time to short these to zero.
Oh,
hey,
you made
see what I did there?
Now is not the time to be a hero. Now it is time to short these things to zero. Garrett. Oh, yay. I need that more. I need that laugh track with me at all times.
I got it just for you.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Ryan. I know.